Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add text behind an object in your videos in Wondershare Filmora. So let us get started. So the first thing that you obviously have to do is to import the video and drag it to the timeline. Then click on the video and go to the AI tools section and then look for the smart cutout option. After you have found it, simply turn on the smart cutout option and click on this button below. Now you have to look for a frame that includes the entire area of the subject that you want to cut out. In my case, the subject is this dude holding the camera. So let us just select the area that we want to cut out. Make sure that the entire area of the subject is covered. If the edges look slightly pixelated, you can play around with the thickness and feather settings to make it look smooth. Now finally click on advanced mode and click on this option called track forward and reverse. After that, it analyzes each and every frame and cuts out the subject from the background in all the frames. Once the process is done, click on save and there you have it. You now just have the object without the background. The next step is to add text behind the object. For that, simply go to the title section and add any random title to the timeline. Then type anything that you want to have behind the object. I'll simply type the word text for now and I'll choose a good font. But you might be thinking that the text is still over the subject and not behind it. To do that, you simply have to copy this video from the timeline and paste it above the title layer, and now you have the text behind the object. Just make sure that both the videos are aligned perfectly in the timeline. But now that we have the text behind the object, we don't want this black background. We need the background that we initially removed so that it finally looks something like this. For that, simply click on the video that's in the first layer, go to the AI tools section and turn off the smart cutout option. And that's it, we have successfully added our text behind this dude. An important thing to note is that this feature of smart cutout is only available in the recent versions of Wondershare Filmora. So if you have an older version of Filmora, you may want to update the application so that you can use this cool feature. If you still didn't understand this method, or if you have some doubts, you can join the channel's Discord server and I'll help you there personally. Or you can also follow me on Instagram and leave a message. And if you want me to personally make videos for you, then you can check out my profile on fiverr.com. The link will be given in the description. So that's it for the video. I hope this video was beneficial to you, and if it was, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your YouTube friends. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.